So I'm Peter, I'm the HR manager here at the AC Hotel in Glasgow. There's been a lot of growth within our team since we've opened. The thing we're really big on is learning development within our team, passionate about success planning, and I think it's great working with organisations, local communities, whether it be schools, hub, just to let them know what opportunities are available within hotels. You can educate younger people so that they know there's a career in hospitality, there's a career path, there's a place to grow within it. You do meet a lot of people who are very keen, they're very passionate about development within hospitality, so that's something we really like to invest in. I think for me, like about the programme itself, meeting trainees, people involved in the Hub at Make Hub, the staff there, obviously Zoltan previously been part of the team. Me and Zoltan, we shared a passion for it. We'd always make time for Hub, bring them into the hotel for tours, help them out with placements, organise Q&A sessions, going to recruitment days. Again, it's the opportunity that comes with it. You're getting people who, again, may have had limited experiences, and again changing that, bringing them here, giving that experience to work with their team, learn something new and taking something from that as well, like getting new life skills. And again, it's the employment opportunities that come with it. We took on 3 previous placements that have led to employment within this team. There's nothing more rewarding than seeing people develop within our team, get that experience and really grow in confidence in what they're doing and be confident dealing with guests and seeing them thrive in those roles. So the support we've provided, again, we've offered placements. We've done this in kitchen, we've done this in food and beverage. They have a wee show round to the hotel, know where they need to go, they'd be issued keys, they'd be issued uniform. So they've got a bit of comfort going into day one where they know where everything is. They've been partnering up with someone experienced, maybe a supervisor or more of a senior team member who's maybe got a little bit more experience who we're looking to develop themselves, and they would buddy up with them and they'd be given roles throughout the day, they would have interactions with guests. So we've offered that support like over the last 2 years since we've opened, and again had a lot of success. I've been invited down many times to recruitment events with Hub International, and I was stunned with the amount of people who really impressed me that day. Seeing people who are really keen to learn, really keen to get an opportunity. So again, like these events are really eye-opening. As an employer, again, it gives us a great opportunity to get some really good talent into our team. I do remember I had a trainee who was there for 2 weeks. He was behind the bar, he was making coffee, he was interacting with guests, his willingness to learn. When his time was up with us, there was no employment opportunities, which was quite unfortunate. But he came in on his own free time, went to reception, asked to speak to myself, and I sat down with him and I was like, listen, I'm really keen, I'm passionate about it. The experience I had at your hotel was fantastic. And I remember saying, okay, right, well, I'll make sure an opportunity comes up. And the first opportunity that came up, I gave him my phone and he was employed by us. He's still employed with us now, that's over a year now. This has been part of our team. And one difference I've noticed in a year, he's came out his shelf a bit more. He's chatty, he's confident, he's always keen to pick up more shifts and he's always keen to learn as well. It's something I'd encourage for any hotel in the city, any organisation, because again, it's a fantastic operation Hub has got going. I think working with Hub as well, like having that impact, being involved in the community, getting people involved, showing there's a pathway in hospitality really does have its benefits for us as employers.